Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the best free alternative to Serum 2, what kind of thing you have to be aware of. So the first one is the Vital synth. It's going to be like really great alternative. So you have like free alternative, ability to visualize every modulation with animation at 60 FPS, drag and drop modulation similar to Serum, free oscillators, comes with the distinctive snapshots, features to store and retrieve customization and setting. Now the cons, free version has limited wavetables and presets, slightly higher CPU usage than some alternatives, and some advanced features like text to wavetable require paid upgrade. Now the next one is Search XT. Oh, sorry for that. So for this, it's hands down one of the most versatile free Serum alternatives on the market that you can also check out for yourself. So you have advanced open source modulation system offers 16 assignable slots. Oscillators features FM synthesis, ring modulation, wide range of synthesis techniques, completely free with no paid tiers. The cons is a steep learning curve due to the complex interface. Interface can feel overwhelming for the beginners, so that's something you kind of like have to be aware of, that you have to like play around with it, and less intuitive workflow comparing to Serum and Vital. Now the next one is Odin 2. So the Odin 2, what you can actually like the synthesizer, high quality emulations of legendary analog filters like the Mooglator or the Korg 35, free powerful oscillators with various waveform options and ability to load custom wavetables, impressive filter section with over 10 unique filter types, open source and completely free, low CPU usage. Now the cons, small preset library than commercial alternatives, less extensive wavetables, editing capabilities, fewer online tutorials comparing to Vital. So primarily these are the ones that I want to share with you. I hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.